Good morning, traders. Alla on May 26th. Those of you who've been in the room for the last 2 days know extremely well. This support been present in front of you for days. So this is what we're discussing with students this morning. This is a software and system in front of you. This is your trading range. This is critical resistance. This is critical support. What is the problem? Both buyers and sellers are weak. So when you know your trading range, when you are prepared for your trade, you are not stressing out, you are strategizing. You're remembering extremely well. Markets are not about buys and sells. Markets are about when to stay out, when not to lose money, when not to lose your mind, when not to blow up your account. This morning we're at key support, the only option to buy from. But buyers are weak. Intelligent trader understands this. Intelligent trader understands that this is your critical day trading resistance. This is a very different thing. It's institutional resistance in front of you. So when a key moment like this plays out, intelligent traders strategizing very well. So while you're looking at the ultimate precision of Alpha Fibonacci system in front of you this morning, one of our incredible graduates stopped by in the room. So amazing to see Jeff. So let's concentrate on the markets right now as you're looking at the key moment in front of you. Critical, crucial, right now, playing out in front of you. It's a key day trading resistance. Is everyone seeing this? So what is intelligent trader waiting for? Power and synchronicity. Entry outside of resistance, not into resistance. So right now patience is tested, correct? Right now intelligent trader understands. Buying into this level is not an option. Obeying the rules is the only option. This is your trading range this morning. This is how pure system is. Intelligent trader interested only in quality trade, not in bait. This is ultimate simplicity. This is ultimate precision. This is your trading range this morning. Nothing else is possible, only this. There is no synchronicity, there is no power. Trader who understands this is not stressing out, is not gambling, demanding only power, not weakness. So this remains its ultimate weakness on the side of both buyers and sellers. Markets are not about buy and sell. Markets are about, most importantly, when to stay out. And that plays out in front of you this morning. And that plays out in current market conditions 90% of the time. So as long as institutions will keep holding their longs, this is a market you are dealing with each morning. If you can manage this, everything else is a breeze. Nothing else is possible, only this. There is no synchronicity, there is no power. It's ultimate chop. It's the most important part of your trading. Know when to stay out. Know when not to gamble. It's not about buys and sells. For institutions, it's buys and sells because institutions trading someone else's money. If you're trading your own, you better know your trading range. Because if you don't, you are gambling, not trading. So what did we discuss with students this morning? Look at my pointer. We discussed we want the market here in advance. This is a beautiful place to be. As low as possible. Pretty please. So those of you who were in the room for days know all of this identified days in advance. I'm teaching this in the live class tomorrow. And that's what Jeff trades. Jeff, please do share how you trading and how you been. It's amazing to see you. So here we go, traders. We're in drastically better place or slightly lower. Very powerful bullish spike. This is a key moment. This is a bullish weakness. So when price reaches your key target, you're moving your stop outside of break even. Double, single lots completely out. If you're trading triple and more, this is your next target. Is everyone clear on this? And that's the power of the system. This morning, you don't need anything else. And when price collapses again and again from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, no one should be surprised, because target RZ means reversal zone. Do not enter into this. Is everyone clear? Ultimate precision, ultimate sniper's mentality. To the tick. So if you love day trading, you're operating with sniper's mentality. This is exactly what played out in front of you this morning. To the tick, Alpha Fibonacci system shown you very, very clearly. Entry, stop, and target. When you obey the rules, you're always on the right side of the market. So when students sending me this email and student trading NASDAQ, as Faribord says in his email, he does not need to be in the room this morning. 21 points on NQ in 7 minutes yesterday. And yesterday was one of the worst markets on record. So Faribord can trade those markets. He can trade any market conditions. And NASDAQ a lot more volatile than S&P or Dow. Faribord also uses options on his long-term positions. So I hope you enjoyed the precision. I hope you enjoyed the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. So again, this morning we remain firm. We have multiple levels of support present. No one shorting near these levels. Lower is better. So Melvin managed to take 20 points on Dow. Is everyone seeing this? Very fast, very powerful trade. Very powerful trader. Stunning, incredible work on S&P 8 points, on oil 15. Every trader chooses what instrument trader decides to trade. So again, to remind you and to recap, this morning's scanner given multiple alerts. Multiple. Skilled trader plays this trade with precise entries, stop, and targets. This is ultimate sniper's mentality. This is ultimate execution. This is what intelligent trader understands is the only option at the market open this morning. Nothing else is present, only this. And again, this reflects a trade on multiple charts. The trade is not on 1 minute, trade played out on very different charts. So if I convert the trade to 3 minute, it's identical trade. This is the power of the system. This is ultimate precision. Multiple alerts this morning. Trader chooses the trade. And as you can see on the scanner, everything that played out, your only option to short from bold red line. This is the best option here. And this was the best option here. That this is much better place because you're much further away from the red line. This is a software in front of you. Intelligent trader understands. At key support, your only option to buy from. You never ever ever shorting near. This remains firm. This never will change. You never short near support. You never buy into resistance. It's in front of you. Simplicity and purity of the system. Each trader decides what trader wants to trade. So Theo choose to trade pound yen, 21 pips. Theo right now in the middle of the night in Australia. What a joy, what a power, what a positivity every single morning. 4.25 points on S&P earlier this morning. This is stunning, phenomenal work. 4.25 points on S&P, $50 per point, one lot. Do the math. $225, 10 lots, 2,000, 20 lots, 4,000. It is absolutely Theo's business. What account size he trades. Every single trader, different instrument. And as Theo says, the reason I love what I do. Thank you, Alla, for such powerful system. Also looking at institutional levels in crypto. Speaking of which space to targets with no brick walls. Never seen such a better approach which tells one when not to trade. And that's the most important part. It's not about buys and sell. It's not. Your most important part when not to trade. Alpha Fibonacci System telling you that. So when Jeff, graduate of the course, stopping by the trading room, Jeff is 78 years old, let go of his financial advisor completely, trading only long-term stocks. Microsoft, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs. I'm not sure what PRU is. Have you done well during this insane markets? Please do share. As again and again and again, remember where I left my pointer. As we discussed before, the best place to buy is here. Here we go. Prudential 30% in 2 months. Microsoft, JOM 25%. I take large positions. How much time do you spend trading per week, Jeff? Please do share. So good to see you. I promise I will come and visit you. Few hours each morning. Incredible work. Stunning, incredible effort. So here we go, traders. Do you remember this? This is what Intelligent Trader waited for. This. Because it is always the case. Much, much lower at critical levels will always be better. This is much better trade than this. This was very close to the red levels. And that's the power of the system and the software. It shows you to buy as low as possible. If it's stocks, if it's options, if it's Forex, choice is yours. Every single trader decides what to trade. Take your first target off the table, pretty please. Move the stop outside of break even. Because if you do this, it doesn't matter if you trade futures, stocks, Forex, or options. It doesn't matter if you're 11-year-old Emma, whom I mentored last night, daughter of my long-term student, or if it's Sia, if it's Melvin, if it's David, they know the power of the system, or if it's Jeff. This is the reason I love what I do, because of our incredible global community of brilliant, intelligent traders who have zero interest in gambling, who have zero interest in speculation, who simply obey the rules. And when the trade is present, take the profits off the table. At the lot size, not the number of trades. And when the target is reached, never ever ever ignore this level. That's the power of the system in front of you each and every day. That simplicity of the system with precise entry, stop, and target. You decide what you want to trade. Is it stocks? Is it options? Is it futures? Is it Forex? That's it. So when the price collapses time and time again from reversal zone, no one should be surprised. Intelligent trader understands precision and power of the Alpha Fibonacci system. You will never ever ever need anything else. Do not overcomplicate trading. Traders from 11 to 90 plus years old, trading the system all over the world for the last 11 years. From micro to macro accounts, from day to position traders, from few $100 account to multi-million, multi-billion dollar account. In exact same room every single morning we have beginner traders, we have hedge fund managers, we have financial advisors who are trading the system. We have future stock, option, Forex traders, cryptocurrency traders. Every single trader decides what to trade, on what instrument. So I hope you enjoyed the power and precision of the Alpha Fibonacci system this morning. As again, you witnessed very, very clearly the importance of knowing where to enter, where to exit the trade. Again, I convert software to 1-minute chart. The trade is not on 1-minute chart. Multiple trades played out. And again, intelligent trader knows this was much better trading than this. And that's the power. Patience is a key. Remember where my pointer was this morning? We knew this well before market open. That's the power of the system each and every day, on every instrument. Choice is yours, what you will decide to trade. So if you decide to join us in the trading room to see the power of the system, I look forward to welcoming you. Monday through Thursday, please arrive sharply at 9:30 EST. Please review all the information on the website where you can see clearly that traders globally trade Alpha Fibonacci system on any instrument they choose. Listen to podcasts of traders who trade anything from futures to stock to Bitcoin to options to Forex to oil to gold to any instrument. View the emails I receive. See what students are mailing me and see the updates I receive. And when you scroll further below, you can view the webinar about institutional reversals. You can view the videos students make about their lives and choose from option appropriate for you. Currently, we're offering the biggest discounts ever, up to $5,000 for private mentoring. If you decide to sign up, speak with me first. 90% of private mentoring students finishing private mentoring within 2 months. I hold your hand. I spell out the exact same trade I taught to JP Morgan trader who left JP Morgan and started his own hedge fund. All classes are live. I love to teach. My first degree in education. I absolutely apply. But all of the skills I learned working with top doctors on the planet as I ran at Johns Hopkins in psychiatry, in research, I applied to trading while doing internship currently at Stanford with top neuroscientists. So please understand, the most important part of your trading when not to trade, when not to lose money, when not to lose your mind. Mindset is a critical part of your trading that you learn in each and every class. So when you sign up for the group course, you can join us instantly, everything on website fully automated. And if you are in Saudi Arabia, if you are in New Zealand, if you are in Monte Carlo, of course, you can view videos 24/7, as students all over the world do for the last 11 years. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As I promise you, it never ever ever gets old to see what's possible if you obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. And that's during the most challenging market conditions. If you can trade these markets, you can trade anything you choose.